Hi and welcome to Magic Scanner website, a fundamental stock selector for KLSE and SGX financial market. You're about to learn the secrets to raking in double to triple digit return per annum in trading or investing, no matter how much time you've had to prepare. It doesn't matter if you've never had any past experience or education, this Magic Scanner will tell you everything you need to know without spending too much brain power. This is unlike any tool you'll find out there. It's the edge that most analysts and fund managers want or have. Go ahead and get yours now.
Right, now this is a re-recording of my closing bell that I normally do for the premium members on Thursday 4:15. Now what we have seen here, we have the market closed on higher here. Okay, last Friday, you can't see on the desk side, but just try to bear with me. As I said before, the first week of January 2013 will be a very interesting trading week. Having said that, that is partly reason we believe that institutional and fund manager who will get money over the last month would begin to buy, and we see that the market hit a new high up at 1699 and then came down. Now this was Friday bar Thursday, so you can see the Monday really gaps up. Now the gap is very interesting because you get this gap here, right? And it actually tested on a low volume support here. That's the volume spread analysis that we see. And the same one, we have it in here, although evidently this bar that we see is not that lower than the previous two. However, there wasn't a breakdown. Instead, the market gapped higher. That's how the market's going to be going higher on the disguise of weakness. It's going to be going higher in the disguise of weakness. Partly is to reflect that people who is the weak hand not able to get in. Now, if you draw your trend line up here, you could actually see it is still a pretty much beautiful upside trend here. Okay, now I'm going to look on to the foreign funds flow here, which is to me is a very important fund how they flow. Okay, on the right side you could see this is the foreign funds that I put on the website. Let me just move it here. Okay, there you go. So this is the red one is the 5-day accumulated rolling. So what it does measure is actually measures the 5-day accumulations of funds. Okay, I got a call coming in. Cool. I'm doing now a talk now. Okay, can you answer that? Let's see what he wants. So this is a 5-day rolling down. This is important. Why we do this is because we want to see the average accumulation start to hooks up. Okay, when the foreign funds start to hooks up in here, that's where the market will start to push. This is the part where it hooks down, right? And so we have the breakdown here. This is the accumulation of the the weekly accumulation, and this is the daily one. Okay, that's fine. Now let's go a bit up a bit more. Now, very interesting. This is the whole year foreign funds flow from 3rd of January to the 3rd of January. That's a full 1 year. You could see for the entire year, there are higher, almost 70%, I would say, are foreign funds net buying. So the foreign funds are really, really interested in buying. And if you've been following my premium membership, we tend to look for footprint that is done by Aberdeen Assets. And the one that they did quite well was accumulation by post, which I posted, I think, some time back ago. And you could see post actually goes up. So what we are trying to do is basically look for this kind of evidence and go. However, the caveat here is every time when they hit the 200 million here, you could see the market immediately pull back. So we did see it here, 200 million again hitting up high. So we expect next week to pull back. It's quite a fair indicator to use just looking at the foreign fund, right? And this is the volume spread analysis. As you can see, strengths are coming in both for the XGS market and the Singapore market. All these are available from the website. Okay, so that's the quick one. I just want to touch on the foreign funds. Okay, on the regional market, let's go to the US market in here. Last week we talked about the 2-bar reversal in here, and that's what we expected. If you look at the wicks indicator, I'm going to show you the wicks indicator after this. The market has clearly broke through. Let me make this smaller so you can see it for those audience in the here, right? Okay. Now the 13,300 level, that's the level it is. Remember, when you try to crack through the 200 moving average, that's the one on the year end the aversion of the US physical cliff. Okay, so they came in and a partial deal was done on the 31st, and then finally they came back. Well, the market clearly broke through it. And also, having said that, the 200 moving average, that's the one it held through. You have a 2-bar reversal here, very nicely breaking up and above now around 13,350 level. So this is definitely going higher, breaking into 13,600. Now, a lot of talks from the analysts been talking about whether this is a real bull or it's like fading into the rally. Now, that's two sides of thought in this discussion here, because with the improving job numbers is coming in, as well as fundamental figures coming up, there is possible chance the market might break high for the 7 million. On the good side, you can also see, okay, the audio has lost. Okay,